Hello viewer, in this tutorial we will make the shapes, adding a paint into the shape. So using the eraser tool, there let's make it a paint to cover about. Use the paint in this way. I will apply here. Now we have to use the pattern stamp. So there it is. I will add a design using the structure. It's a pen tool here. I will generate the pen tool.